Hello. Hello world and to everyone. Wala tayong ilaw yan. Hello, hello. Yan, dito po tayo sa Limahong Channel. It's Limahong Channel. Ginagawa pa na. Hello everyone. Becky Laces. Sinimang ka na eh. Ha? Di, okay. Okay, wa. Nagkabuk di ba na eh. Ako gabay mo. Mas doon na. Ako si sister.
Ay, nakalapanig ka kami at kami naman.
Tagadya ka, brother. Tagadya kayo. Tagadya kayo mas.
Pero ang ganyan, Lipsong West,
Ah.
Limboy, Kapitan. Talabas mo na natawali ko sa
Walay basar lang ti. Akay na lang kung basar eh. Okay, nalaman.
Grabe, lakuan daw. Kasi sa agawan ng sama, waling nang subit sila. Na-XP ka. Tami ang tapos man. Kaya mo so members niya, siya may nakikita lugaw. May kinyan tayo palpalag ya, kinda, tawalin ang kikiniskwila. Ako, akala ka ay ka. Ang naikita ng Capitol na maliwaw na kinda, kita, 10 na tapos.
May una-unaan.
Sino pala natin?
Sampigan natin bayaran na eh, brother.
25 lahat. Siyempre dito, 20 natin.
Agala kaya, brother.
Hindi na kaya.
Malabo na.
Mga 50, 40 lang ang diba?
Yung negosyo mo, brother. Ano yung
Pares
negosyo?
din.
Pares din yan.
Pares din.
Doon yung yawa.
Oo. Minsan kung ano papasok mo dyan, may shake, may mais. Minsan pumasok kami mais. Sabi ng kasama namin, may papasok po siya maya-maya. After 2 weeks, pumasok na kami. Tapos yung kapatid niya daw, mating patas ko.
So, ano masasabi mo sa ating gobyerno, brother?
Yan,
Oo.
ang problema, ang sistema, mas mabuti pa yung mga nakakatulong na doon sa pagkano. Kasi ngayon sa iba, maningil sila.
Bra.
Pati yung mga slot na mga, ano dyan, Windows 7 vendors, kung paano nga ba yung time na binigyan sila ng gusto-gusto, tinanggal sila, tapos iba naman ngayon ang nagbibintang, kapag sa taas yung mga yun, nakakapit sa taas. Okay sana kung may mga para sa mga yun. Kaso yung mga mamayaman
Pero,
sila,
brother, no nang anong t-shirt to?
tunay na
So, anong sign nito?
pang
Sinong sign ito?
alam ko,
Tignan mo mabuti, sister.
Ano yan? Logo ng
Espino.
Ayun na yun. Kaya ibig sabihin, ang kaharap natin ay Pino. Oh, yun na nga yun, di ba? Biglang ganun eh.
Ano, sumunod sila, sobra.
Yun na nga.
Tinanggal yung mga pwesto na
Ito man. Oh, kasi mahirap, pati kami at ang galan na trabaho. Actually, contractor kami. Tayo lahat ay gabay kay baga, brother. Tayo lahat ay
Ay, ama na ito. Ginawa ko.
supplies. Supplies. Oh, tuman. Tuman,
So,
sister.
kita na lungkuhan na sa kay. Si Pangasinan, katulad nila. Dapat,
Ato isisim eh.
ah,
Ato isim lang, Tewa.
dapat lang yan, may
Dami pagbenta o yan, oh.
para kita pangkarakter niya may ano, katalungkuhan, Pilipinas sa talaga.
Oh, ni? Pilipinas siya talaga. Minsan, siyempre, Pilipinas ni lalante. Tuman. Nga pula. Utan tayo. Ato, ay, lima ko.
Nagawon to kuno yung ulo mo ba?
Tuman.
May bubat.
Gawan to lang commercial ko no, tapano ko no ulit hanap buhay tayo. Masura sunda. Agali irap mo.
As kami vendors din na pera pa kami na makapala.
Pareho tila pa, sister.
Wala ka lang ano, sa Balde Capital. Diba?
Nga pula, singano pagbigyan to ba tay malalako ako. Shout out to Attraction. Hi. Thank you very much. Yes, yes. Thank you. And here is our sisters. Yeah. Our business here. Thank you. Can you make me moderator, please? Yes. Add as moderator. Yan. Taman. Pare-pareho tila pa. Kami mata. Ni-snap to kami mata. Amin piga kami ni
Tambal,
matan.
supply o that
Amin, supplies on.
May tambal
Tambal,
wata ni may kana ka
Tambal,
pa si Juan, wata ni.
Patay Juan.
Juan niya tumita.
Wata ni Banaya.
Akawa to si Ken, may
Kapampangan.
may kapampangan man.
Kapampangan.
Foreigner na so to kapampangan man. Alam ko kapampangan.
Ay, foreigner man. Pero ang ganata wata ni.
May wasabi ka to eh.
Wasabi. Here in Philippines. I'm here in the Philippines now. Yes. New water. Magkano plata na? Yeah. Here is our yeah. It's a dredging machine. We are here in a Limahong Channel. And Limahong Channel. This is a Limahong Channel, Lingayen, Pangasinan, Philippines. And here is our brother and sisters. And this is their small business. It's a practical way of business, being a Filipino. Yeah. Although it's already night here. It's a lack of solar lights, no electric post lights because this place is still developing. Yan, for the Asalimahong tourism in Lingayen, Pangasinan, Philippines. Yan. Yan, natitirang ikaw, sister. Yan o, sis. This is our sister. She's a Filipina and she's hardworking mother and a wife.
Hardworking, not easy to reach.
Yeah, easy to reach. This is the benta of the inihaw. Yan. Sister, maraming salamat sa inyo at mag-meet tayo later. Again, taga dyan kami hello, shout out kanyo. Shout out. Visit us here in Philippines. Thank you, sister. Support kila brother. Bye-bye. Sige, brother. Bye-bye. Balik ang tunay na pangkatropa. It's a full moon. hintay ba puno nga ramay akan. It's only business. Lugi ko no. No, nasampal ako no may gagundat tanay ko lang nga pula, I mean. So we are heading home. It's there's no electric post here. Still developing of this area is a Limahong Channel, Lingayen Beach. This is a Limahong Channel. Hello, thank you very much for coming. Attractions, thank you very much. Thank you. I will check your channel. Thank you very much. And to Jakaken, thank you so much. What is your place, Auntie? Our place is in Philippines. We are way home now. This is underdeveloped. You see the building. Oh, that's the building of one of the biggest building here in Lingayen. Although there's no enough lights here for now because it's still developing for a tourist spots. Yan. Okay, wait. Yan, I already have a copy of your names. Thank you very much for visiting our channel live. Thank you for the support. And I will check the channel. Just follow our community standard. Thank you very much. It's our way home and we have we need to stop to check the engine. Oh, see, it's already nice. Later, when we heading on our way there, it's a business establishment of a restaurant and just along the beach. A few Yan, mga kababayan ko, kumusta po ang lahat? Thank you very much for coming to this live man. Magtutour po ako sa inyo. Dito po tayo ngayon sa Lingayen. This is Limahong Channel and a Baywalk in Lingayen, Pangasinan. And there's some houses there. This is a private property. Yan, malapit na tayo sa business establishment. Thank you very much for coming to this live. We have new friends to meet, and please check our videos, and your like and share, subscribe is a very uh, to support and to our community. This is a resort, beach resort. It's underdeveloped. Ayan. Oh, yeah. We are approaching a business establishment like restaurant, bar and restaurant. It's underdeveloped. Okay? The road is underdeveloped. Hanggang sabi naman na yung sukin na di mo natin 25,000.
So,
So, pa daw. Hindi man ka ng stay. So, after that, kuno ka para. So, upad ako. Kada isang rolling store.
every month.
Monthly, oo daw. Basta nag-stay ka daw doon. Along the beach daw.
Ano naman tanga? Mag-i-invest ng ganyan.
Lugi daw sila. Hindi daw kaya.
Bakit nandiyan pa rin sila?
Yung mga iba nakabayad na daw kasi. Kaya yung mga yun, umatras daw sila.
Dati libre lang yun, bakit may bayad na? Tanga-tanga pala sila.
Basta naka-steady daw yung nakikita mo daw na diretso doon. Di ba may diretso doon na nagbebenta. 25 daw yung isa doon.
Like pa nila yung nasa pusto.
Tapos mamaya daw wala na daw.
Alis na
Clear na sila. Oh, clear. Pagkatapos daw yung building. Sabi,
ba't di sila mag-file ng complaint? Harassment na yan.
wala daw. Nagsabi na daw sila. Hindi daw maharap yung yung boss.
Bakit hindi sila mag-file?
Wala daw siya magawa. Tataka nga daw sila para daw yun nanalo sabi.
Dahil sa kanila.
Wala daw,
Binuto
hindi
nila.
daw nila binuto daw yun.
Posible.
Pera, di ba?
May binabawi ngayon sa kanila. Eh, nga sila. Kikitain mo yan. Yung 25,000 na yan.
Siyempre
Kikitain
hindi.
mo, pero ay iwan sa'yo eh. Wala kang tutusin ang may control niya, hindi Capitol Hill, LGU. So, municipality pa rin niya yun.
Hello, thank you very much for coming at Apollonia Villar. Thank you very much and I will check your channel later. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. This is our live here while traveling and we're heading in the Barangay Road. And our fellow people are busy. Still busy making business. Yeah. This is a Barangay Road. Thank you very much for coming and I'll check your names later for visiting our channel and supporting our channel, Filipino TV. Thank you very much. It's a barangay road and still using the tricycle. Yan, sana bumaba ng gasolina. Yes. And that's the Ihaw. Yeah. Ihaw here is very famous. One of the famous business here in Philippines, Pangasinan. Thank you very much for coming. Art attractions. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Yes, I followed you. You could do it too. Thank you very much. And we will check your channel. Thank you very much to Apollonia Villar. Apollonia Villar, thank you very much for coming. And Arthur Sinente. Hello, Sir Arthur Sinente. Maraming salamat po at wala akong ilaw. Yan. Yan, nag-vlog po ako kanina doon sa may, thank you very much for coming. And thank you very much. I'm preparing for a videos that is very, good to share. This is my place in Pangasinan, Lingayen, Pangasinan. Thank you very much. Sinich ko to. I'm inside the car. I'm still waiting for my beloved husband. May binibili po siya. Something. And Apollonia Villar, maraming salamat po. I-check ko po yung inyong channel later. Naisipan ko po mag-live para po maganda po din yung ating, dahil kulang po tayo din ng watch hour at para makapag-meet and greet po tayo. And sarap po natin to. My hair is, it's buhaghag na. Yan. Yan. Later na yan, wala na tayong time na mag-ayos. Yan, Yan. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Busy pa. Ang mga tao dito, busy. Tingnan nyo yan. Busy. If you will see, our street is still busy. Yan, nandyan na. Yan. Busy. O tan may may kwarta. May yung palag ko inkarga din tan may coins naman. Yan.
Yung Bible tayo, wala.
What that?
Karga.
Maraming salamat sa inyo, Sir Arthur Sinente, at to Apolonio Villar. Maraming salamat, at ako po I will visit your channel too. And kindly visit our videos so I can check your channel. Our gasoline here is already 82.10 diesel. Yan. Our gasoline fuel here is still high. And we are praying that and wishes na it will be back in our original price of 50 pesos. So we can balance our budget for a living. Kasi kawawa din naman po yung mga minimum po yung sinasahod nila, at syempre lalo na po pag marami pa po tayong pamilya na susuportahan. Yan, this is street, it's a barangay. Yan. Business here are, the famous business here are ihaw, meaning a grilling food. Sa ihaw. Yan. Some of the gasoline station here are closed. Yung iba po na gasoline station po dito ay sarado. Close. Maybe because of they cannot afford anymore the rent, or they don't have a gasoline to sell. Tama. Di man. This is a old house. Yeah. It's a old house pa. There's still a old house here in Lingayen, Pangasinan. Yan o. Still, marami pang old house dito pala. They're still keeping the old house, the antique house. It's a century house. It's a decade house, still standing. Okay na rin. Yan. Saan na to? Sa may hospital lang. Terminal. Tricycle terminal. It's a tricycle terminal, but it's a bus terminal. Oh my gosh. Confusing. Underdeveloped again. Under construction again. And this is a fish port in Lingayen. There's no lights. Yan. Kung magyakapan na po tayo dyan sa baba at to meet and greet. Thank you very much. This is a business establishment here because it's alongside of hospital. There is a business establishment. Yeah. Wala ulit Ate Susan. Yeah. Nila.
Hindi naman.
Pisat Batch 86. Business establishment. Yan. We're heading in town proper. In Lingayen, Pangasinan. Our gasoline here, diesel is 87.31. Gasoline, 81 pesos.
Pinamedisin.
87.31. Still, we are praying the rollback is in the original price of 50 pesos. There's a Shakey's here also. Yeah, the bridge is under construction again. It's already a decade construction. Yeah, may sa business too yan. God's miracle. May God's miracle too yeah, construction. Tour. Where are we going? It's the Gupan. Is this a bus?
Pinamedisin ba?
87.10.
82. Ano naging 87? Hindi mo tinitingnan. Baka yung gasolina yun.
Dito tayo magpapagas.
Ang mas mumura dyan. Kailanganin naman.
It's a barangay road again. Yan. Hello, hello. Good evening to everyone. Time check here is 7:21 Philippine time. Yeah, madilim po ito tented natin. Para may bingo ano. It's number 1. Yan. We're going to refill the gas. Our gas is diesel. Uy, 79.06. Ay, 81.53. Ay, 90. Mas mura doon. 90 dito. Yan o. It's 90.06. Doon, 80 plus. Ang nakita ko lang. Hindi ko alam. Parang pareho lang din. Nakalimutan na. 90.06. Pero, paano alingo alabat eh? 90.06. Say, best ko na yan. gasolina, sinurge ko, petrol. So, best ko. One of the best. Ako na nagdala ng sumikin. Dito tayo, 70. Ay, 81.53. Pareho. Tapi diesel to, awa. Itabi. Si Flying D. Yan, Flying D. Yan, Flying D. Yan,
Tingnan.
hindi mo parehas. Si Flying D.
Pero na 87 sila eh. Balag sa diferensya to. naman.
Parang namuwan mo.
Lipat.
Oh, wala na. Oh, hindi kotse.
Balag sa diferensya to.
Pesos.
97.
Ito ang. Yung uman ako.
Talo.
Talo. Parang nagmuman, di ba? Paano walang tagay week yan? It's Periacan. This is a barangay road. Everyone, I will check your channel later. Please visit our videos. Thank you very much.
Kasi petrol na walat.
Number one, the gasoline. Sige pa, no?
87.
87 niya to ah.
Balag sa diferensya.
Kimbalat eh. Man eh.
Ewan.
The difference of the gasoline is almost 3 pesos. It's 87.31 diesel. Doon sa kabila, 90. Tingnan mo mabuti eh kung ano.
Grabe diferensya.
Grabe difference to. 87.31. Issues ko yan. Hello! Thank you very much for coming attractions and to Jaka Ken. Thank you very much for coming. We are here in Philippines now and Apollonia Villar. Thank you very much. Check po natin ang ating channel later. Thank you very much for coming and Mr. To Arthur Sinente, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At naghanap po tayo ng murang gasolina. We are looking for the cheap, at least gasoline, diesel, our vehicles is diesel. So, mataas pa po yung ating gasolina, which is 87.31. At nag-stop po tayo dito sa may gasoline station there. At mabiyahe po tayo. Meron po tayong pupuntahan later. Thank you very much. Shout out to everyone. Thank you very much for coming to our live. Nag-video po tayo kanina and I will share the videos of the Limehong channel, nagde-develop po, still developing, still under construction, and our country Philippines still under construction. Everything is under construction. Non-stop projects for the development, for the people of the Filipino people. So, thank you very much for the non-stop developing. So, wishes and prayer for the changes of our country and iangat po natin ang kabuhayan natin bilang Pilipino. Yan po ang pinaka-importante po sa lahat. Thank you very much for coming, Filipino TV. See you in our next live. Thank you very much for coming. And I already screenshot all your names and so I can greet you again and meet you again. Thank you very much for coming. God bless everyone sa aking mga kapanalig. Time check here is 7:31 in the evening. Today is April 28. Actually, honestly, I didn't check the date because the important is our everyday living. Thank you very much for coming. See you in our next live video. Thank you very much for the meet and greet. And shout out to everyone. Thank you very much. I'm here now in the Philippines. Thank you very much. And our videos is looking forward to meet you in our videos. Maraming salamat po mga kababayan ko sa inyong lahat. At we will meet and greet again. Thank you very much. Kung hindi biglaan ay under schedule. I-schedule po natin. Maraming salamat po at wishes and prayers for the gasoline should be back in normal. And wishes and prayers for the stop of war in Middle East na for our kababayan. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you.